So I go to your project. I close my project and go to your project.
Fine, you can come there.
Okay. Your project is. Let me see. Just on. Let me see. This is your project. Yes. Yes, this is your project. Yeah. Okay.
Okay. See, in the case of entity framework, you know that entity framework is basically, it is ORM tool, object relational mapping tool. This is. So with the help of entity framework, you get connected to database, you understand the database structure there. Then after that, what you do, you can create the corresponding objects for the tables. So automatically it can do for us in the same manner. Whenever you want to handle data for the entities, it can be handling. That means saving entity data in the table, deleting from the tables, updating tables. All this can be done with the help of the entity framework without much code we write there. Okay, so there are going to be three approaches we use. One is code first, other one is model first, and third one is database first. There are three approaches we use with entity framework in our application. First thing is code first, second thing is model first, and third one is database first. You need to in fact note down these points whenever we discuss. If you note down, that will be really fine. Okay, so in the code first approach, what happens? In the case of code first, we use POCO classes. We write our own POCO classes first, then we create database from these POCO classes. What is POCO? I was saying yesterday that what is POCO, Mansoor?
Plain object.
Plain old C# object it is. Plain old
yes.
C# object.
Yes.
Okay. So, developers who are following the domain-driven design principles, they try to who follow actually domain-driven design principles. It is called as DDD principles. They prefer to begin by coding their domain classes first, then generating the database required to persist their data. Suppose you are using their domain-driven design. So in such case, first of all, what you do, you code your domain classes. Then after that, you create the database required to persist that particular data. So in the domain-driven design principle, what we do first, we code first domain classes. Then after that, we write the code to persist the data of those objects into database. So this is basically with the code first approach. This is basically called as code first approach. We use domain classes. Then with the help of entity framework, we create the database there. So we are going to create first of all domain classes, because if you look at your application, what models you have, what classes you have, first of all you create them, then after that you map with the appropriate database there. So in the case of model first, another model is what exactly? Model first. So in the model first approach, we create entities, relationships and inheritance hierarchies directly on the design surface of EDMX, and then we can generate. We use a tool called as EDMX tool, that is called as Entity Framework Designer Model. We have EDMX. With the help of that, using the screen itself, we can create the entities as well as relationship in them. So this is basically model first approach. Third one is going to be database first approach. One more approach is going to be for us database first approach. The third approach is going to be database first approach. So with that we develop also the database. So first is got here code first. The third one is actually database first. So in the case of code first, what is happening? You create the POCO objects under DDD, domain driven design. So with that you create first of all classes, then you try to make the objects of those classes persisting in the database with the help of the entity framework. So we have one more type of model here, one more type of development. It is called as database first development. What happens in this? We use the database first development approach. Okay, so here we are going to use the database first, then with the help of database. So when we create database first, then with the help of that we get connected to that. So entity data model can be updated whenever database schema changes in this. So database first approach supports stored procedures, views, etc. So code first may not be supporting stored procedures and views, but database first approach can be supporting stored procedures. So here what we can do, we can use here database first approach. With the help of that we can be developing actually the database first, then after that with the help of the application we get connected. Now in the case of code first approach, first you create the required code, then after that you try to create the required database. So this is exactly what here, database first. So what we do here, first of all, here we create database, then we get connected to existing database there. So we create actually already database, that we get connected to existing classes there. So here this is called as database first approach. We have here database first approach. So you have tables, with the help of entity framework you can get connected to context and entity classes. So here we use, this is called as database first approach.
So
Yes, Mansoor?
yes, you are using here first database first approach, right?
Yes, now so far we use the database first approach, but in this code first approach also we can use. When you are testing applications at the time, you can use code first approach. When you are developing application, you can use code first approach. If it is changing, if the code is changing actually, if the data is changing as per requirement, so in such cases you can use the code first approach.
Okay.
So from code first approach, in a better way, you can manage it.
Okay.
Okay. See, this was actually introduced with Entity Framework 4.1. So the code first approach was actually with the Entity Framework 4.1. It got developed. Okay. So here what happens? You can configure here one-to-one, one-to-many, and many-to-many relationships with the data annotation, as well as here we do some kind of validation called as fluid validation. Okay, so here to use this particular thing, you need to know about basic idea of .NET framework. You have to know about C#. Then SQL Server basic idea is required. With that, you can use the entity framework code first approach. So what is code first? Once again, we discussed that. Here, entity framework code first approach from entity framework 4.1 available. Since 4.1 is available, code first is mainly useful in domain driven design. So with the code first approach, we can focus on the domain design and start creating classes as per our domain requirement, rather than design your database first and then create the classes which match your database design. So here first we don't create database, then we don't try to create classes which map with our database. We don't do like that. We first write code, we first create our classes, then we try to map those classes with the underlying database. Getting my point, Mansoor, here?
Yeah, yes.
Okay, so code first APIs will create the database on the fly based on our entity class and configuration. They can be creating database on the fly. So here, even though database is not existing, it can be created automatically for us. We can create automatically this one. So what we do in this, first of all, we create here the pure classes and context class. Okay, so what we do in this, we create the pure classes, then we create context class. After that, we compile the application. So we are going to compile application. So this is going to create actually, it's going to create the new database for us. And it's going to map our classes in the database using default code first conventions. Okay, even we can configure our domain classes to override default conventions to map with database tables using data annotation attributes of Fluent API. So here what we can do, first we build the classes, then after that what exactly we do here, whenever we run application, automatically database can be created for us. If it's not existing, it can create database for us. Okay, now try to I mean create some new application. Try to create a new application. Automatically database must be created for us in this.
Create a new application.
New application, new project.
Okay. Right.
Otherwise, what you do, just cancel this. Don't make with MVC application. Just cancel it. Go to the console application. From there, try to do it. Click on File. Go to New Console Application. That is better. New Console Application. Go to New Console Application. Click on the New Project. Find New Project Solution. So here, try to use Windows application. A console application you put. You are opening. You are trying to open, not opening. You must, in fact, create new one.
Yeah, it's create project.
Click on the file. Yes. Here in this Windows desktop, you click on the Windows desktop. Above web you have see above web. Here itself we can see above web. That one. Here take console application. Click on the console application. Right here EF code first. EF code first. Code first. Click on OK. So you created something like this, but before this, try to make here the required classes. In the app config file, first of all, create a connection string. Create a connection string in the app config file. You have app config file, see? Open that. Yes, here you must create the connection strings. Where do you create? Under configuration only you can create. Yes, immediately after configuration, inside the configuration. Inside the configuration, you must put it.
Here.
Put there. Less than. Right here. Connection strings. Yes. Rest of the thing try to add there.
Sorry?
You write here key and all those things. Write add name equal to you put name equal to. Try to put some table name. Not table, sorry. Some name, not table name. Some name you put. Whatever you want to put, you put there. dbcon or dbcon string, something you make like that.
Then a name, and then we have a. Sorry, let's check.
Yes, take it. Select it, connection string.
Yeah.
Equal to what you write. So first of all, server name you have to write. Server name. No. Where is server?
Server. My server. The SQL server is this.
You write there server equal to. Server equal to you must write or not?
Yes. Okay.
That's what. Server equal to. Yes, right. Slash. Yes, that one you write. Semicolon, then you put database name. Semicolon, put database. Database equal to, write it as video DB. Database equal to put video DB.
Sorry?
Video DB. V for vision. Video DB. Video DB.
Like that?
Like that, yes. So integrated security equal to true. Next you put. Semicolon you put, right? Integrated security equal to true. Where is the semicolon? After VideoDB, where is the semicolon?
Sorry.
Here, right equal to, you put integrated security equal to true. Yes. After that, you need to provide provider name. Where do you provide provider name? Not there. No, 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 not inside that provider name. Remove the space there. After double quotes, you have to put after double quotes. Yes. Now you take provider name here. What do you put here? Provider name equal to system.data.sql client.
System, yeah, system. Yeah.
Spelling is wrong. Okay.
System dot
Data.sql client.
data.sql.
Yes. Okay. Now come to here. EF code first project. In the try to create a class called as video class you create. Not in that. Not in that. Just go to EF code first. In the EF code first, and on the top, what you should do. So, what are the references available? See, expand references here. Expand references. You don't have the entity framework here. So, right click on the references. Right click on the references. Add reference. Try to add the entity DLL. System.data.entity you have. Select the system.data.entity there. Yes, click on that one. Check it. Yes, click on OK.
Yes, I got it.
Created. Now here, come to the, you create a new class in this. Right click. Yes, right click here. Then go with the new class here. New class. Write it as video. Put the class name as video. Yes. Yes, video. DEO. Click on add. On the top right there, using system.data.entity. Capital S you have to use data.entity, system.data.entity.
Yes, system dot
data.entity. On the top you have entity. Yes, semicolon you put. Now here you created class video. That is fine. Inside this, try to create members.
Numbers?
Members, not number, member. No. Members meaning is what? If you take video, you should have video ID, video name. Like that, you should have attributes for the class. Right. Public int video ID. Same take class name as well as ID. Video ID you put. Video ID. Okay. Write set and get simply. Like this. So next thing is what? Album name you can write. Public string album name.
Sorry?
Album name. Album.
What?
Put video under particular album. It is album. ALBUM.
Okay.
Album name. BUM.
The album name. Okay.
Album name.
Okay.
Right. Set and get.
Oh, sorry.
Set semicolon get.
Get and set.
Yes, get and set or set and get, whatever it is, does not make difference. Then right here, created date. Not string. Date should be always date time.
Okay.
Created date. Here, set and get. Fine, this you created. Now one more class you need to create. It is nothing but db context class. No, that's enough. That's enough there. Okay, now here what you do? You try to write class. No, just write class. Public is not required. Write class. Video context. Write it as video context. Capital V you use for the class names.
Sorry, yeah.
Video context. Don't give any space there.
Yeah.
Video context. Then start the put colon there. Write db context. db context. Type B. So it's not available to you. db context is not available. So therefore, just go to the using system. 1 minute. We added there using system.data.entity. Put there small b, you put small b. After
Small
d, you
b.
put small b, db.
Okay.
Context type C. So it's not available here. Fine. Data.entity we have added there. Further, right on the top. Okay, do one thing here. Try to add a reference in this. That will not work. Do one thing. Go to the references. Once again, go to references. Right click on that. Right click. Add reference. So here, entity framework. Anywhere do you have C? Entity framework DLLC. Anywhere which starts with E. Which is starting with E. Just see for that. Entity framework DLL. On the beginning
No.
itself, you may have that.
Yeah, it start with A, C, and
Okay.
then and
Go to the
Microsoft.
extensions. Click on the extensions. Extensions. See anywhere
Yep.
do you find here entity? You don't have that.
No.
Okay. Scroll down.
Uh,
Okay. What you do here in this is my not available it seems. Click on cancel here. Click on cancel. Now go to in this. Click on the tools. Click on the tools here. Tools menu. Click on the tools menu. Go to the NuGet manager. NuGet package manager. See. Just below that one, package console manager, click on that. Package console manager, very first one. Yes, click on that. So here you got PM. In the PM, you write it as install-package.
sorry, what is that?
Type install, hyphen, minus symbol, Then write package, PSEKG package. Then give a space there, write entity framework. Entity framework. Without any space, you put entity framework. No, 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 no. Not there. Between entity and framework, I am saying. Entity framework. Entity framework. Type framework. Framework. Spelling is wrong. FRAME. Entity framework. FRAME it should be. Entity, ENTITY, frame, FRAME.
FREM.
Framework is what? What is the spelling of framework?
Framework. FRAME.
Yes, that's all.
WOR.
No, that's all. Select and now press enter key.
Okay.
Let it install. It installs entity framework.
Okay.
Are you getting some message there? Downloading
No.
entity framework 6.1.3 it says.
Yeah.
Yes, click on yes. Click on yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now here, try to write class video context. Now remove that DBC. Once again type there DB, small d, sorry, no, capital D. Now you have this time, see, DB context is available now.
Yes, sir.
Getting?
Yes.
Okay. Now put the curly braces. Inside that, create the constructor. How you created constructor sometime back?
No.
Inside that, no, put the curly braces. Curly braces. First you need to put curly braces. Within that you must create constructor. Press enter key. Yes, inside that you must write now constructor. How you created constructor sometime back? How you used the connection string?
Yes. Set DB.
No, not set, not DB set. Here, first of all, you must have a connection string.
Connection string. Yes.
No,
Yes.
not connection string. You are using with the constructor. You use with the constructor connection string. Right? Public video context.
Yeah. Public. Yeah. Public.
Video context.
Yeah. Video context. This one here.
Yes.
And then I have.
First of all, you put the parentheses. Set of parentheses you have to put. Empty set of brackets. Empty set of brackets are required or not?
Yes.
Put the empty set of brackets.
Sorry. Yes.
After put colon. Then what write base? You write base.
Base. Yeah. And then it's here.
What you write in this? In the double quotes, name equal to what you write? What is the web dot in the I mean app config file? What it is exactly? The name of that is what? App config file.
Is DB con?
No, just open and show me in the app config file what it is. Why to give chance for errors?
Okay.
App config file, application configuration file. Yes, in that.
It's here.
It has been modified. Once again, you need to make here connection string.
Oh, it's modified. Okay.
Yes,
okay.
yes. Now try to create on the top before config sections. Immediately after configuration, you must put that. Before config sections. Yes, there. No, inside that, you write there. Connection strings.
Yeah.
Yes, right now. Inside this, try to put some video DB class name. You try to put video DB.
Video DB.
Okay. Yes. What is this connection string? What you have written? This is absolutely wrong. What you have written? Connection string. Where is the key there? Where are you writing key?
Connection string.
No, no.
DB.
Connection string is fine. Where is the key? First of all, where is the name for that? You need to have a name or not?
Yes.
Name,
Yes.
name. Try to put name.
Is equal to name.
No, no, no,
Name.
no,
Yes.
no. Just the syntax. If you forget like this, it's difficult. So after add, immediately put name. Name equal to you have to write separately that one. How you do in the web.config file? Write there name equal to put video db.
Oh, okay.
It's video db or some connection string name. You put some name. No, no, don't put video db. Try to put some dbcon.
Okay.
dbcon, that is con. Now connection string equal to, remove the space there. Yes. Now here database equal to write after that Mansoor slash Meher. You put a semicolon, then write database equal to. Yes, database spelling is wrong. Database spelling is wrong. See. Yes, database equal to, try to write it as, what is the name? Video DB you put. They, before double quotes you have to put it. Write that video DB. Spelling is video DB, VIDEO.
Video DB.
Video DB, that is. Yes, put semicolon. Next write integrated security equal to true. Integrated security equal to true. Next thing you give a space there. Right, provider name equal to what you write here, system.data.sql client. Yes. Now if you run application, what happens for you is, it's going to create database automatically. Just try to run, just start application.
Okay. Yeah. Start.
Somewhere the brackets you are missing. Click on OK. Where it is missing, see. Yes. Open that very first one. You haven't closed that. After that, what is required? After that, what is required here? Curly braces are required or not? After that, starting and closing curly braces. Okay. Then come to the next line. After next line, create the DB set also in that. In the DB context class, you create the DB set. Press enter key there. Write DB set. Then what is that video you put? DB set less than, greater than. In that you have to put video. You put video. Yes. After that, give a space. Right? Give a space. No, space you need to give. Okay. Write videos. Start the curly brace. Here write get semicolon set. Yes, get semicolon set semicolon. Like this you need to make. That's all. It's created. Now once again run the application.
Okay. So something.
Okay. Come to the database now. Come to database. Refresh. Okay. Student DB, students DB created. Fine. What is happening in this? Okay. Here. Okay. Okay, this is what. Now don't drop. Can you refresh once again this one? Refresh it.
Okay.
Expand database is now here. Are you getting
It's not.
anywhere? Okay. Now come to the configuration the app.config file. Open the app. See. Where is this? Here you just kept name equal to empty you kept. How it works here? What is required here? Name equal to? Go to the app config file. From there, take the name there. Go to app config file.
You have config file.
Open app config. In that file, open app config file.
This
Open
is app
application configuration file. Open please.
yeah, this is app config file.
I'm asking you to open the file. This one. Open the file. What is the name here? dbcon you have. Take dbcon. dbcon.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah, yes.
Come to the class and put there video.cs. Put that. Otherwise, how it can be complete there? It can't be complete. Now run this.
Yeah.
Completed that one. Refresh.
Yes.
Come to the application once. Application.
Yeah.
Okay. So here, what happened exactly? Video context we kept like this. Then here, video context we kept base equal to dbcon, name equal to base, name equal to dbcon we kept. So videos, get and set video we have taken. This is all fine here. Um, okay. Come to the main method in the program.cs. Come to the main method. Come to main method program.cs.
Program.cs here.
Now we have the main method. So in this main method, write first of all put on the top using on the top you write using. This is EF code first. Otherwise not required. Not required. You can drop using. Don't put using there. ಅದು ಅದು ಮತ್ತೆ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ. So write it. Videos you write. Put just move towards right side. Right videos.
Right video?
Yes, yes, right there. Right, videos. You have videos. VADEOS. No, no, not version.
Sorry, V-I-D video.
Video context you
S.
have. You don't have videos. So go to the once again go to video.cs. Delete that video. Go to video con. Delete there. Come to video.cs. Write this as public. Public db set you put. Yes, public db set videos you write. Now come to the program.cs. There try to come to program.cs. Here write videos. Save that first of all.
Video.
Videos file without saving nothing comes there. You haven't saved videos file. Video.cs file you haven't saved.
Okay.
No, no, video.cs file. Now here see. Come to the program.cs. Try to do here. Here write videos. You don't have this one. Fine. Video content only you have. Once again come to videos.cs. Okay. DB set. This is video. Videos get set we have here. Okay. Can you launch in the other once again can you launch this Visual Studio? There try to open the MVC file. So launch Visual Studio.
May run the application?
No, one more. No, no, don't run. Launching I am saying. Once again launch one more instance of Visual Studio you start. Minimize this. Again you start Visual Studio. Minimize this one. Minimize this.
Yeah.
Again launch Visual Studio.
Oh, okay. So I close it, right?
No, no, don't close. Let it be open. Launch once again Visual Studio I am saying. Without not one more instance you start.
Sorry, I don't get the point. Launch means
1 minute, 1 minute. Minimize this. Minimize this one. Not that.
okay.
Entire Visual Studio you minimize. Fine. Minimize it. So once minimize this
Okay.
also. Minimize. SQL Server let it be. Once again go to programs. Once again go to programs. Okay. So what you do? Once again go to programs. Click on start button.
I have this 8.
No,
I have
no.
not
Click on
started.
yes start button. Yes, click on that. From here choose Visual Studio once again. You get Visual Studio 2013 or 2014. You have see. Yes, not that I think. Fine. You right click and start it. Start it once again. Start. Not this one. You don't come into this. One more instance. Once again you start. Click on that.
Okay. I saw already thing. Okay. Once. Okay. Started.
Not that. Once again you start it. Not this. That may be existing one. Move towards right side.
Sorry.
Move towards right side. That may be. Move towards right side.
What you looking for? Sorry.
I want to launch the MVC application parallelly. You have to keep this application open. You need to start again. You need to start MVC application. Both applications must be open. Both applications must be open here.
Okay. 1 second. Why is not coming this? This open here. Because it's already open, so it's not opening one. One more. Again, open session. It's not opening the other instance. Because when I click this, this goes here, comes here.
It should not open. The previous one, once again, you need to launch. You need to open same thing. Once again, you need to start application. Once again, without closing this, you need to start once again the application.
You mean this one?
Visual Studio, once again, you need to start without closing this. Without closing this, you need to start once again Visual Studio.
As administrator, I will do that. Because when I click it, this.
No. Not this. You go to search,
Yeah,
from search, try to do. Go to search and from search, try to do it. Go to search.
Yeah.
Right there. Now start it.
Yeah, it's same thing. It comes here.
No. That is coming, but you click when you click on the bottom icon, it comes up. One more instance comes up.
This is the Visual Studio 12.
Fine, then start the Visual Studio 12. Then start that.
Okay.
Click on that. It should not come like this. You have to start the other one. It comes once again coming. See, it is no. This is related to this one. You close this. You close the 2013 only. You start, please. Not this.
I close 2013.
No. 12 you close this. Right now, what is open you close because this is for the SSIS SQL Server integration.
Yes.
For that purpose, use it. Close it.
Okay.
Start the other one. Close the program. Yes. Now 2013 only you start.
Yeah, this is 2013.
Once again you start 2013 there. Don't click on this.
Yeah, but
Move towards from there. Try. Now click on that. In the bottom you have 2013. Click on the next that one. It starts another instance. Click on that. Yes. Click on that.
Yeah, it's same thing comes here.
Comes no, not this. It should come one more instance. Comes in fact. Should come one more instance.
Yeah.
You cannot close this application. If you close this application, there is no point in that. You have to keep this application open and you have to go with that.
Yeah, I got your point, but it's when I click on that, this comes to the open instance. They don't create the another instance for me.
You can launch again. One more you can launch.
Yeah, I launched many times, but I don't know why it's coming here. It's something. One second. I just I just open here. 1 second. I open any application.
Yes.
Maybe then.
No, not any application. 1 minute. Not any application. You start only.
Okay. Yeah. Now I open another instance.
Yes.
I see 2 instances now.
Yes. Now 2 instances you have. In the other instance, the MVC application, whatever you made, open that. Today, what you made, you open that.
Just a second. Okay, which application you need to open?
This is fine. You go to the action in this. You go to the controller, expand controller. This is fine. It's opened already. It's opened, Mansoor. It's fine. Now in this.
But this
is fine.
Okay.
Go to controller, expand controllers here. Home controller you open. Now in this, how many? Expand the home control. Fine. Open like that. Open. But you have only these things. You don't have any other things. You require more, in fact. Okay. Today what you created, just now open that. Just now you created something. Open that. Click on the file here. From here itself. No, not this. I'm talking about the MVC application. This
MVC application.
From here open. go
This
to
one.
recent projects and solutions. No. You take UMS school
Yes.
entry form from SLN. Yes, that one you
This one.
open. Yes,
Okay. Okay. This is.
yes. You go to the controller, student controller. Okay,
Yeah.
expand the student controller there. Now go to the details in this. Scroll down.
This is
Further,
detail.
yes. Further, you scroll down. Okay, go to the beginning of this. Beginning of document. Go to the beginning. Yes. Okay. Now come to this application. You come to this application. Your application.
New
Recently created
application.
application. Recently created application. Just now you created application. Come into that.
Okay. Yep. This is.
Yes. Expand. Maximize that. Maximize the window. Okay.
Yes.
Now here come to the program.cs file. Open the program.cs. In this main method, write it. This is exactly what video DB. Video DB context. Video context you take. Video context. Okay. Then give a space there. Write DB equal to DB, small DB you take there. You take small DB. Right there. New video context. New video context. Yes. Start and close brackets there. Where you put brackets, and this is a constructor. Where you put the brackets for constructor. Yes, there. Start. Put a semicolon at the end. Semicolon. Now press enter key. Once again come to the previous application, previous MVC application. Come to MVC application.
Okay.
Yes. Here what you do? Just a minute. Further what you do in this? Okay, go to the okay. Fine. Now scroll down here. Scroll down. In this code, you have create somewhere. Where is create? In this create, what you are doing? You are trying to add a student here. Okay. Then copy these lines here. These two lines you copy. DB students dot add. You copy this. Copy these two lines. The two lines. Yes. Copy. Okay. Come to the other application program.cs. There try to put other application. Yes. Click here. Just paste. But comment immediately. You comment them. Try to comment them. Yes. Here first of all create the video. One video object you create. Video. Right there. Video. Give a space there. Just write V. V only you write. Just V is enough. V equal to new video. New video. Yes. Start and close brackets here. Constructor, that is. Put a semicolon. Right now, try to add here V dot, capital V dot, right dot. Try to put here name you put, name, album name you put. Go with album name. Yes, album name equal to, try to assign something. Assign some name. Put some name there. Any album name, some album. It is a movie or
Okay.
some album name you put. Yes. Fine. Put a semicolon at the end. Next write V dot. V dot created date. That equal to try to set. So here try to date time you put here date time dot now. Just write date time dot now you put. Datetime dot now. See how you put datetime.now in the double quotes only for strings, that is. Simply you need to put datetime.now because there is a date object. You don't require double quotes. Datetime.now just you must add. Dot now. Now you take. Yes, semicolon you put. That's all. No. Why you are putting the parenthesis there? That's all. Now what you do? Once again come to the here, right, fine. Right there db dot, right there db dot, db, small db you have just now you created there, right, db dot, here write videos, type videos you have somewhere in the bottom, right, dot add, take add, in the brackets you put the v, you add the object v here, put semicolon at the end, then write here db dot save changes.
DB?
No, db database, db dot save changes. Yes, small db dot save changes. Start and close brackets and semicolon you put. Okay, semicolon you put. At the end, just write console dot read line. Console dot read line. Dot read line you put. Read line. Start and close brackets, put semicolon, and keep a breakpoint here. In the video context, keep a breakpoint. Yes, in the beginning of video, not there. No. In the beginning itself, you put.
Yeah.
Very first line from there we put. Now start debugging this. Start debugging. Yes. Okay. What it says here?
It's a base name is equal to dbcon.
It's giving some kind of error there. Okay.
Initializer of system entry.
Through an exception. Expand that. What is exception? You go to the app config file. Go to app config. Stop and go to app config file. Name is dbcon. Okay. Anywhere you have problem with this integrated security? Database is fine. So this is here. Server equal to semicolon. Database is video DB. Integrated security equal to true. That is spelling is correct. Everything. Okay. Just move cursor towards right side. Provide a name equal to what you kept see. Move towards right side.
System data.
Yes, that is correct only. So everything is correct in this. Come to the beginning again. So it is name is connection string. Can you open the MVC application?
Yes.
Open MVC application. Yes, MVC application. So in the MVC application, what did you see? You come to the web.config here, web.config file. Open that. What is written here?
It's
is the spelling anywhere spelling mistake do you have in that? Nowhere you have anything like that. This is fine. Same thing we have used it there. Okay. Once again come back to the previous one. The previous application here. Okay. No. Our this one. Our console application. Come to the main method. Program.cs main method. Open that. New video we created, followed by we put like this. Try to put here v dot after datetime dot now, v dot no, on the top after datetime dot now, after datetime dot now, right there. After that, after semicolon, you cannot put there. After semicolon, you have to put, press enter key, right there, v dot, here write video id, take video id, right, equal to 100, you put 100. See, there is a number. How do you put number in the double quotes? Yes, semicolon at the end you put semicolon. Try to execute now. Okay. Here now press F10. It's creating problem here itself. Can you no, just a minute. See, get general, not like that. View detail. Click on the view detail. View detail here. Actions, view detail you have. Yes. Click on that. No, don't do anything there. Here you have a right arrow key. Expand right arrow key. Yes. 1 minute. List dictionary internal. You have a problem there. Okay. Stop it from running once. Stop it from running. So stop debugging. Okay, come to the video context you have here. db set video, videos get and set. We have like this. This is okay. db set video, and we have taken class video. This is video ID, album name, created date. So public video context base is name equal to dbcon. We kept it. Okay, once come to MVC application. Once you come into MVC application once, MVC model view controller, into the application you come. Here see, just go to the model student, open that. You can correct only base. It's dbcon. You said correct, that is. Okay. Come to once again. Come to the port. Your current application. Yes. Come to this application. Correct. So here what you put, public class video context, you make them public class video. On the top, first of all, you make public, the video class you make public. That is fine. No. Before class name you put public. Yes. Before class name. Right. That is not class name. That is only method name, constructor name. Okay. Before class name, I say. Before class name, you need to put public.
Yeah.
Yes. There. Public. Here also, under video context, you need to put public again. There also put public. Just try to run once again. Type initializer, it's giving error. View detail.
Oh, this is same.
Okay. What is that error? System.data.internal app config. This is here. So we need to configure only once. Okay, come to the app config file once again. Open the app config file in this. Stop from running this. Yes, come to app config file. Yes, open that. Open the file. Okay. Mhm. You remove the provider name here. Remove the provider name. After integrated security equal to true, remove the provider name there. At the end you have provider name. See in the no. Along with it, that one you remove. Yes. By removing, try to run now. Still it's giving error file. Mhm. Provider name is correct for you. That is okay. Mhm. Okay. You have any config sections? Just close. Click on OK here. Stop it from running. Now you should come to the app config file, application configuration file. Open. So here, find default connection factory you have here. Config sections you have here. Okay. What you do? Take these connection strings here. After configuration of connection strings, totally cut that connection string section. Yes, from there connection strings. No. Including connection strings starting and closing tag. Including not that one, sir. What I am saying, undo that. I am saying total connection string section. After configuration, you have after connect. No, not that. Don't delete that, please. After that one, that next till that you need to yes cut there. Okay, cut there, and after config sections you try to put here. After first config sections, not there. No. After config sections, I am saying after close there you put paste it. Now try to run once.
Now it comes to run. Yes, video.
Yes. Now press F10. Press F10.
Yeah.
Provide. Go through. Press F10. Press F10. Press F10. Press F10. It's throwing exception. Yes. Stop it from running now. Stop from running. Now go to the configuration. App config file. Open here. Write the provider name after the dbcon. There you write provider name. Provider give a space. Provider name equal to. Write it system.data.sql client. Data dot capital D you have to use dot SQL client. Okay, save it, try to run. Now proceed. Yes. Proceed now. That's all. Press enter key. Okay, proceed now. Yes. Press F10. Press enter key now. Yes. That's all. Stop application from running. Come to database and see now. Here what happens. Refresh.
Yes, we got it.
Got the video DB. Expand now tables. What tables are available to you? You have
Yeah, this
videos
one.
table,
Video.
migration history and videos tables is available. So like this, automatical database is getting created for you. Correct?
Yes. Yes. Godfather is there. Yeah.
But see, you cannot enter any value there. Automatically it comes. The value is going to come automatically. Even though you assign, it will not take into consideration.
Oh, okay.
Now create one more class in this. Create another class. So when you create one
Same.
more class, you go to the video CS file. There try to create one more class. Yes. Now try to create another class here. What is the class you put here? This class make entity. You try to make entity here. Public class director. Class director. Capital D. Always class name should start with a capital letter. Okay. Then start the curly brace.
Sorry.
Yes. Now here write public int director ID. Put director ID.
Direct.
Director
Director ID.
ID. Director ID.
Okay. Okay.
Right there. Director ID. Capital I D. Fine. After that, start curly braces. Get and set you write. Yes. Get semicolon. Set semicolon. Fine. Next thing what you write here. One more thing. Try to write.
Name of director.
No. Director name you write.
Okay.
Director name. Capital D you take. Remember this point.
Sorry.
Director name. Start and close curly braces. Yes, inside this write set get. Okay, save it. Now go to the video context. Go to the video context. Your public DB set there you have. One more try to create. After public DB set videos get set you have. At the end of that, no. See what you have here in the video context. You have one videos object. It's DB set you created. Yes. Public DB set videos get set. After that, you put a next line. Come to the next line. Not there, Mansoor. In the video context class itself. After that, video context class, you have your public DB set videos get semicolon set semicolon curly brace. After that curly brace, press enter key. Yes. Now create here public DB set here write less than director right director. So after the greater than symbol give a space, write directors in the curly braces put get semicolon set semicolon get semicolon set semicolon. Yes. Now come to the program.cs, save it once. In the program.cs, yes, now come here. So this code you comment, video V, new video you have here, comment that code up to DB, up to those lines. No, not total, comment up to that point.
Total? This one?
That is required. Video context is required at the top, that is required. Only this video V up to that last db.videos.add up to add V up to that you comment. Next line, one more line above, comment up to that. Okay. Now after the press enter key there, after the comment, yes. Here write director. Okay, director. Then here write it as give a space dr equal to new director. New director. Dr I said, not dir. Just I said dr, that to lowercase letters. You must put. Okay, new director. Start and close brackets at the end because there is a constructor. Yes, now write dr dot. Press enter key there. Dr dot.
Dr dot.
Yes, dot. Director name you take, not ID name. Director name you put some name there. Some music director name you can put. Some director name you can put there.
Okay.
Okay, Amir Khan. Amir Khan made movies. Put a semicolon at the end. Semicolon you put there. Next right here. DB dot.
DB?
DB dot.
Yeah.
This is what here. Next. Directors. Directors. You have see directors. Dot add. In the brackets you put dr. Dr you put. Put at the end you put semicolon. Now try to execute this.
Okay.
What it does, will it give any error? Just see there. Press enter key. It's giving error. So we need to go with the code first migrations we need to enable. Okay, now stop it from running. Stop it from running. Then try to come to the package manager.
Package.
Yes.
Package. Where is the package?
Yes. Right there. First of all, package manager. Where is package manager? In the bottom you have seen, in the bottom window. Bottom window PM. PM
Yes, sorry, yeah.
that one. Here write enable hyphen migrations. Enable hyphen migrations you write.
Yeah.
Just yes, enter key you press. Okay. So what to do here? Delete this migrations folder. Go to the migration folder and delete the migration folder totally. Delete that. Yes. Click on OK. Here what to do? Write enable migrations. Enable hyphen. No. Here enable hyphen. Don't press enter key immediately. Just wait. Enable hyphen migrations. Up arrow if you press. Give a space. Then write enable automatic migrations. Enable automatic migrations. Don't give space, no space is required there. Enable automatic migrations. Capital A you use. Automatic migrations. Capital M. Automatic. No. Enable automatic migrations you need to put. Enable automatic, MATIC, then migrations. Don't put space.
Okay. Migrations.
Yes. MIGRATIONS. Okay. Press enter key. So once again, press up arrow key there. So before enable migration, automatic migrations, put a semicolon, put a hyphen. Enable automatic migrations. Before that, put a minus symbol. Yes. No. Before that you need to put. Not don't put any space. Give a space. Like that. Come to the end. Press enter key. Okay. Now try to run this. What it says still. View detail. Okay, fine. Click on OK. This is OK. Now come to once again project manager. Close this from running. Come to project manager. Then right here, right there, update hyphen database also you put.
In the program.
No, no,
CS?
no. Here in the PM package manager.
Okay, okay.
In the
Sorry,
package
yeah.
manager, you need to write update hyphen database without any
Update.
space. Update hyphen database without any space. Without any space, you keeping space there. Without any space, you put hyphen database. Yes, press enter key. Now once again, keep a breakpoint and try to run. In the main method, keep a breakpoint and try to run.
Yeah.
Yes, yes,
Breakpoint.
yes, yes. Now try to execute from here.
F10.
Press F10, continue. Yes, proceed from there. Yes, proceed. Yes, now complete it. Go to the database and see another table is available to you.
Press enter.
Yes, press enter key. Now completed
Yeah.
everything is press enter key.
Yeah, it's nothing.
Close
It's
application then.
something.
Close application. No, no, you
You
need to
scroll
close
it.
application in such cases. Yes, close application, go to
Okay.
database and see. You should find next table. One more table you have to have in this.
Yes.
You got
Directors.
directors. Now try to create one more entity class like that. One more
Okay.
entity class you make. So automatically database, these steps you don't forget please. These steps are very important.
Okay.
One more class you create like this. One more class you create.
Like director, right?
Now, like director, you try to create one more class.
Okay.
What class you put this time? Some name that is. Say some author. AUTH for author. Capital A, always class name you have to start with capital letter.
Yes.
AUTH for author.
AUTH
OR.
or
Yes.
author.
Author's by author only. Start that
Or yeah.
replacement, set and get methods you write. Sandeep, are you seeing all
Yes.
this?
Yes, yes,
Yes.
yes.
So write author ID. See, always the
Yeah.
primary key must be ID. Right.
Yeah.
Author ID you put. So while we are writing each and every line, what is the significance of every line? You should try to understand that that is important. And now what you are doing, I mean, Sandeep, exactly with what you are working right now?
I'm working on actually structures, functions,
Okay,
and then we started date and time, and we are
author
writing little
name.
applications on those.
Fine. Author name you take. Here write set and get. Okay. Now here create not that. No, no, no. Fine. Yes, yes, yes. Right. DB set. Public DB set. Here write author. Okay. Followed by next thing is what? Authors you write. Authors. Right. Get set here. Get semicolon set. Okay. Now you should go to the main method. In the main method, you have to now write the code. Yes, those 2 lines you comment. Those 3 lines, correct? Yes. Right now here, what do you write? Author. No. First create author object. Yes. Equal to new author. Yes. After that, what you write? Just write only name. ID is not required. AU dot name. AU dot author name equal to some author name you put there. Yes. Then write here db dot authors dot add small db dot authors dot add authors dot add. Here the brackets write AU. At the end you put semicolon. Fine. Keep a breakpoint and try to run what happens in the C now. Just press F10. Yes.
Enter key?
You press enter key.
Yeah. Oh. Sorry.
What is happening there?
Yeah. No, this goes here. Yeah. It's what are the authors? Exchange and create.
Click on OK.
Okay.
So once again come to the PM project management. Stop it from running package manager. Now come to package manager once again.
Yep.
The above commands once again run. Press up arrow key. Up arrow key once again you press. Up arrow key. Yes. Press enter key there. No. Press no down arrow key. Press enter key.
That one?
No.
Enable
Just only got down arrow key press. Press enter key now. Enter key press.
Immigration is already enabled.
Right here. Once again press down arrow key here. Up arrow or down arrow key? Up arrow key press now. Yes, press enter key.
Update database?
Yes.
Okay.
Now try to run this. Yes. Fine. Press F10. That's all. Now it created. Go to the database and refresh. You find it. The other table. Got authors also.
Yeah.
So like this, whenever you test application at that time, you use this one. Normally while testing application, you use this strategy, you use this policy. You're getting it. So this is what exactly code first approach.
Yes, code first approach.
This is with entity framework.
Entity framework, okay.
So this is called entity framework. Using entity framework, code first approach. That means first of all you create classes. With this you create the database.
Okay.
Like this you are working with this.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Some more you practice with this, please.
Okay, sure.
So more and more classes like this, if you practice, you get hold of it.
Okay. Okay. Also, you can share this video as well if you have a
Yes,
time.
yes, yes,
Whenever you
yes.
have a time.
No, no, I mean, I need to first of all convert that into this file. So,
Okay.
WMV, further it takes time. Yesterday's
Okay.
I think
No
I have
problem.
received it. I have shared with you yesterday's.
Yes, I got it. Yes, yesterday I got. And yesterday you also shared the jQuery, right? I run that program jQuery.
Yes, I have shared with
I will.
you.
Yeah, you run the. You share the. But it's asking for the database. Is it your integrate the database with that?
I'll check, then I'll let you know what database that is. Then I have to check. The file name you just you try to tell me the application name.
Yes, I run that. I'll show you if you want. It's
Not that.
this one, jQuery.
Yes, yes, yes. No, I need to see then what database it is. I share with you. The database description also I try to tell you that one.
Okay.
AngularJS that is. AngularJS that is.
AngularJS?
Yes, see.
No, no, no. The
And
one second. Uh, that one I'm talking about. This one.
okay.
This one.
Yes, yes.
And basically there is two, but both this one also. But I download. I don't know what the difference with these two because I download and run in the application jQuery both,
Yes.
but it's not working both of them.
Look into that.
So if I go there,
Just try to open that. No, not that.
yes, I open it. I open this project
Not
and
project. Don't
run.
open project. Always open like website.
This one.
Like website you
This one.
open. Yes. You need to open like website, not like a project. So open like a website always.
This is oh my, it's on desktop. Let's find the desktop. What is this desktop was like?
Expand that. Open that now. No, no, open just that's all. Open that. Second in the middle one. jQuery with
Yeah, it's open here. This one. That's I asking for.
yes. Open the expand that then. Expand. So open any file
Yeah.
there. Try to run.
Which file?
You need to start running it. What do you get see in that? Yes, click on OK.
This now the error is different, but when I ran that, its error is different. But anyways,
Fine. No, we see tomorrow into that.
okay, no problem.